the northern white rhinoceros, the Neanderthal hunter. At first glance, these two beings could not seem more different. One, a massive gentle giant roaming the grasslands of Africa. The other, a skilled human ancestor navigating the harsh, unpredictable world of the Ice Age. Yet their stories are deeply intertwined, echoing across the millennia. Two seemingly different stories, separated by thousands of years and yet, both shaped by the relentless forces of nature, climate, and the ever-changing tapestry of life on Earth. The northern white rhino, once abundant across the savannas, now stands on the very edge of extinction, its fate hanging in the balance. The Neanderthal, a master of survival, vanished from the world, leaving behind only traces, bones, tools, and mysterious art etched on cave walls. One is a story of survival against the odds. The northern white rhino's journey is a testament to the fragility of existence. Today, only a handful remain, watched over day and night by dedicated guardians. Their horns, once a symbol of strength, have become targets, leading to desperate measures for their protection. Each day is a battle, not just for the rhinos but for the people who have devoted their lives to saving them. The other, a tale of ingenuity and adaptation. Neanderthals were not the brutish figures of old myths, but resourceful, intelligent beings. They crafted tools from stone, hunted in groups, and adapted to some of the harshest climates ever faced by humans. Their legacy is written in the artifacts they left behind, and in the very DNA that many of us carry today. Yet, both speak to the remarkable resilience of life on Earth. Whether it's the rhino's quiet endurance or the Neanderthal's inventive spirit, these stories remind us that survival is never guaranteed, but always fought for. Across continents and centuries, life finds a way to persist, adapt, and sometimes to thrive against overwhelming odds. Both offer glimpses into the past and, surprisingly, carry profound implications for our future. As scientists study ancient bones and living giants, they uncover lessons about extinction, adaptation, and the delicate balance that sustains all life. In the stories of the northern white rhino and the Neanderthal, we find warnings, inspiration, and hope. A reminder that our actions today will shape the stories of tomorrow. In the heart of Kenya, under constant protection, live the last two northern white rhinoceroses on Earth. Both are female, mother, and daughter. They are a powerful symbol of the fragility of nature, a stark reminder of the devastating impact of human actions. Poaching, driven by the illegal trade in rhino horn, has decimated their species. But all is not lost. Scientists are pioneering groundbreaking techniques to bring the northern white rhino back from the brink. In vitro fertilization, using eggs carefully harvested from the surviving females, offers a beacon of hope. These precious eggs are fertilized with sperm meticulously collected and preserved from deceased males. The embryos created through this delicate process are then implanted into surrogate mothers, closely related southern white rhinoceroses. If successful, this ambitious project could not only revive the northern white rhinoceros, but also revolutionize conservation efforts for countless other critically endangered species. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our potential to right past wrongs. Thousands of years ago, Neanderthals, our ancient human relatives, thrived in a challenging world. Recent archaeological discoveries are painting a new picture of these remarkable people. Far from the brutish simpletons they were once portrayed as, Neanderthals were skilled hunters capable of complex thought and strategic planning. Evidence suggests Neanderthals were ambush predators, relying on teamwork and cunning to bring down their prey. They used spears, crafted with deadly precision in close-quarters combat, demonstrating remarkable bravery. These were not random acts of aggression. Neanderthals understood the terrain, using natural features like ravines and cliffs to trap animals. This level of planning and coordination reveals a depth of intelligence previously unimagined. Neanderthals possessed a deep understanding of animal behavior, the landscape, and the tools they created. They were adaptable, resourceful, and intelligent, challenging our long-held assumptions about our ancient relatives. These two stories, though separated by tens of thousands of years, echo with remarkably similar themes. On one hand, we have the tale of the Neanderthals, our ancient relatives, who faced the harshest climates and the most daunting predators, yet managed to carve out a place for themselves in a world that was often unforgiving. On the other, We see the modern struggle to protect the northern white rhinoceros, a species teetering on the brink of extinction, and the people who dedicate their lives to its survival. Both stories are, at their core, about survival, adaptation, and the power of working together. The Neanderthals, through cooperation and intelligence, not only survived but thrived in a challenging world. They learned to hunt in groups, share resources, and care for their young and elderly. Their ability to communicate, to plan, and to support one another was crucial. It was this sense of community, of looking out for each other, that allowed them to endure ice ages, adapt to new environments, and pass on their knowledge through generations. Their story is a testament to the strength found in unity and the importance of collective effort in overcoming adversity. Today, we stand at a crossroads, challenged to use our intelligence and resources to protect the natural world. Just as the Neanderthals once relied on each other, we too must come together, scientists, conservationists, communities, and individuals, to face the environmental crises of our time. The work of modern conservationists, scientists, and volunteers is a reflection of that same spirit of cooperation. Whether it's tracking endangered animals, restoring habitats, or educating the next generation, every action counts. Our survival and the survival of countless other species depends on our willingness to act together. The fate of the northern white rhinoceros, like countless other species, hangs in the balance. Their story is a stark reminder of what is at stake, but also a call to action. By learning from the past and embracing the lessons of cooperation and resilience, we can shape a future where both humanity and the natural world not only survive but thrive together. The efforts to save the northern white rhinoceros offer a glimmer of hope, a testament to the resilience of life and the determination of those who refuse to give up on our planet's most vulnerable creatures. Once these majestic animals roamed vast stretches of Africa, their presence a symbol of the wild's enduring spirit, but decades of poaching and habitat loss have brought them to the very brink of extinction. Today, only a handful remain, watched over day and night by dedicated teams who have made it their life's mission to protect them. Their story is not just about survival, but about the extraordinary lengths people will go to in order to preserve a species. It is a story of compassion, courage, and the belief that even in the face of overwhelming odds, hope can prevail. These efforts demonstrate the incredible power of human ingenuity. Scientists and conservationists from around the world have come together, combining cutting-edge technology with traditional knowledge to give the northern white rhino a fighting chance. In laboratories, researchers are developing groundbreaking techniques, like in vitro fertilization and stem cell research, to help revive the population. Out in the field, teams use drones, GPS tracking, and round-the-clock surveillance to keep the rhinos safe from harm. These innovations remind us that when we pool our knowledge and resources, we can achieve what once seemed impossible. The story of the northern white rhino is a powerful reminder that we, as humans, have the capacity to make a real and lasting difference, not just for one species, but for the entire web of life that shares our planet. Looking back through history, we see that collaboration and innovation have always been essential for survival. The story of the Neanderthals, for example, reveals how early humans worked together, sharing knowledge and tools to overcome the challenges of their environment. Archaeologists uncover evidence of communities that thrived by cooperating, adapting, and learning from one another. These ancient lessons echo through time, reminding us that our greatest strengths lie in our ability to unite and to innovate. Whether it's developing new tools or forging new partnerships, the spirit of collaboration has shaped our past and continues to guide our future. As we look to the future, these stories from both the animal kingdom and our own human history offer valuable guidance. They teach us that hope is not passive, it is something we create through action, empathy, and perseverance. By learning from the past and embracing the possibilities of the present, we can build a world where both humanity and nature not only survive, but truly thrive together. The path forward may be challenging, but with determination and unity, we can ensure a brighter future for all living beings.